Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can log out of Viber. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm simply going to show you that in Viber application there is going to be no logout option anywhere. If you go even in the settings and in the account settings, you can only see there is a deactivate account button, but there is no logout account. So simply, in order for you to log out, just simply go to the settings of your phone. Finally, once you have done that, scroll down until you find apps and notifications, or basically apps and management settings. And over here on top, it will show you the recently opened apps. Viber might be there as we just opened it, or you can just click on see all apps and scroll down until you find Viber. And once you find it, go ahead and open it. And then all you have to do is go to storage and cache settings and clear your storage. So finally, once you have cleared your storage of the application, you simply want to go ahead and open your Viber. And as you can see, it will log you out of the Viber and you can log back in whenever you want. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.